peoples? What's up, my replayers? What's up, all the players and slayers? Hey, these are gloves from, I want to say thank you to, my voice is still a little shot, to, Hitler, who is from Norway. They have little, see these things so you can touch your phone and it works. I can actually use the phone. Yeah. So this is, I'm going to go out with Magi. This is the day after Super Blizzard. You ready? You ready? Look at him. He's all excited. He's all excited.
The tail is going.
Say hello. Say hello. What do you see? Look at this. He goes through. This is why I have no audio video cables. This is why. It's floss for him.
Over. Yes.
This is some strange lady who lives in my house. I have no idea who she is. The FAA, they're tracking me.
Yes.
They're tracking me. She has a whole thing of puppets. Why do you have all this shit? Clean it up. Jesus. Clean it up. Oh. I was watching Fantasia 2000. This is awesome. If you've never seen this on Blu-ray, this is awesome. And you've got to, of course, see it on the super 4K Samsung TV. And Moulin Rouge. Who likes Moulin Rouge here? Love this freaking movie. That's not my mom.
He wants you to.
That's not my mom. I'm not related to this. She's I guess she's my tenant or roommate. I call her aunt, but she's not. Oh, pixelization. Hold on. Fix it. Tell me if it's fixed.
What on?
I don't. I'm just going out now. I shoveled for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I shoveled away. That's 6 feet of snow. No, actually, I hired a bunch of Mexicans. No, I'm kidding. I'm not racist. I just make racist jokes. All right. See, this is what happened to my arm from shoveling so much. This is what happens when you shovel that much in New York. This sort of shit happens. Did you build a snowman? I did. But the snowman ran off with the next door neighbor's snow lady. So he's gone. Where's his leash? I had it out. I found this while digging an archaeology. I'm gonna go to the Museum of Natural History and bring this. It might be worth something. You never know. It might be. We're gonna start our own. Instead of the Skull and Bones, we're gonna be the Bones and Skull. Bone and Skull Club. The good guys. Alright, enough props. I'm gonna be like freaking Carrot Top. What did I do? I don't know what I did with your thing. I don't know what I did with it. Magi's like looking at me. He's all upset. People gave me all sorts of gifts. So these are cool. These are gloves where you can still touch the phone. Thank you again to Margaret Laur, L-A-U-R or L-A-U-E-R. Check her out. Follow her. She's the really nice lady in all the way in Norway. All the way in Norway. Someone gave me Willy Wonka gloves because I don't know where they got that idea that I look like Willy Wonka. I don't know where that came from. Where that noise came from. Thank you. So now if I can find Magi's... I'm looking for your thing, guy. Where is it? Did you run off with your own thing? Here's the ball from Labyrinth. This is a mess. It's a mess, I know. This is the crystal ball that I do the crystal ball scopes with. I've brought you a gift. Poor David Bowie's gone, so we were all watching Labyrinth in memory of Bowie's balls. I don't know. I don't know what I did with it. I brought it in. This was from Laughing Orgasm. I kept your gift, Laughing Orgasm. She sent me a lot of cool stuff. This was awesome. Magi was pulling me around the other day. Literally, there was so much snow. Let me show you. It was like 5 feet of snow. Wait, Magi, wait. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light. Hold on. Stay back, dog. Hold on. I gotta turn this brightness up. Hold on. Way up. Turn that shit way up. Look at this. Look at this. This is nuts, guys. Literally. You wait. You wait. Look at this. Look how high it got up to the fence. Can you see this? It got literally up. So, not 5 feet, maybe 4 feet. Look at that. Nuts! My car is now freaking the Disney ride. No, but this fence is, it made it up to here. Look at how far. That's pretty high. I mean, when I came out, I couldn't open the door, so I took a sled and I just went. All right, who wants their name written in snow? Who wants it? Say, I want my name in snow. And you have to share and invite. Okay, Smitty. At Smitty. I'm gonna try this, Jesus. Smitty, show me, I can barely see. Smitty. Wait, Smitty, show me your name again. Oh God, Stardust. You got a long name. Wait, Smitty, is it TTY? Wait. Oh, Jesus. TTY. I can't see. It's so bright out. Smitty, that's as good as you're going to get. I'm never going to make the whole thing. I don't have the accuracy. Who has a short name? Jaffa. Okay, Jaffa I can do. Jaffa. Jesus. Maybe I can't. Alright, there we go. Take a screenshot, Jaffa. There you go. Smitty and Jaffa. Alright, Hannah. Jesus. I'm gonna try. I gotta find a clear spot. No, it's not. You're not gonna see the whole thing. And nah. Boom. Can you see it? It's a little bit. The angle's crazy. I'll go to the other side. It's Jesus, everyone. Thank God. Jesus, you always help me. Jesus always helps everyone out. Some people call you Jesus. Are you Jesus or Jesus?
I'm Jesus.
He's Jesus. Jesus, did you turn any water into wine? Look at all this. Why aren't you having a cocktail party?
I went to the liquor store.
Jesus is helping out. Thank Jesus for Jesus.
Thank you, Papa.
Jesus, say hi to everybody.
Hi to everybody. For everybody watching me, say hello, Happy New Year.
And Jesus he's not like in the Bible. He's very easygoing. Jesus had a shot of bourbon in the morning, right?
Yeah, you know better than that.
With Gladys. He was drinking with Gladys.
Yo, yeah.
Yeah, Jesus and Gladys were drinking in the morning. Thanks, Jesus. See, Jesus is my homeboy. Okay, hallelujah. All right, I'm gonna go to the other side. Jesus. Sorry, Jesus. No, I didn't mean to say your name in vain. No, people want me to write. Hold on, I need to clear, hold on, I can't see crap. I gotta turn the brightness even further. Gotta turn it all the way up. Okay, next to my hat. Okay, I see Sam. Did I get it? All right, Sam, screenshot it, Sam. I can't see shit. I don't even know if I'm aiming the phone in the right direction. Who else? Quick, short name people. Wait, I can't see. It's so bright, guys. Jesus, I'm sorry, Jesus. Jesus is right behind me and I'm saying Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I didn't say Jesus, Jesus. There's Jesus, see? Jesus is over my shoulder. Okay, who else? We got Sam. Sam, you're huge. I know, Jesus is the light. Jesus forgives me. I gave Jesus, actually Gladys gave it to him, a shot of bourbon. Who wants their name? Last people, go. Go, tell me, quick. I'm freezing. You're small in real life, says Samantha. Samantha 0512LV. I didn't add all that shit. You just got Sam. You're welcome. Who else? Someone quick before I freeze my nads off. You get it right on top of my hat. I'll write it right here. Zeke. You're welcome. Zeke. Zeke? How the hell? What the hell? Zeke. E. There. You got 2 E's. That's all I could fit. Go, Zeke. Take a pic. Zeke and Sam. You got it? Did you get a screenshot? Oh, Dan. Damn it, Dan. You always get me at the end. Boom. Damn it, Dan. Tyler. Boom. Screenshot guy, hold your power and home key and then hit tweet out. Send to everyone. Send these pictures out. This is fun stuff. And invite all your followers. So I'm gonna take Doggy for a walk. Look at the icicles. Check that out. It looks like a little Christmas. Look it up there. Wow. That's crazy. Ozzy's good. I'll bring Ozzy out later. Thank you, Samantha. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Wow, that's crazy. I gotta throw some snowballs in. That could kill someone if that one falls. Look at that one right there. It'll stab you right through the heart. Now, Magi is not, he hasn't been too down with the snow. He's confused by it. Even though he's a Georgia plot hound, he should know that stuff. There you go. Dan and Tyler sitting in the tree. Zeke and Sam in front of me. All right, and let's do the sigil, huh? The sigil. Someone snap me that and send it to me. I can't see crap. I don't even know if I'm aiming at it. A poet. Yes, definitely. Absolutely. Yeah. Look at this. So check it out. I mean, there you can see it right there. That's a, and that it was higher than that actually. But right here, that's about, yeah, to here, so like, I don't know. I said 4 feet, but maybe a little less. It depends. In certain areas, it went up to 4 feet. This is like 3 feet here. Crazy. Everybody's, the good people of the world were shoveling their snow, and all I wanna do is have some fun. My car's, I got a feeling I won't be driving some. I know. Who wants their name? Another person. I got a clear space right here. Who wants their name? Whoever sends it out or tweets it out or invites followers, you get your name. What's up? Only one you need. Your name's too freaking long. Samantha, I already did you. Let me do someone new. Who did not? Okay. Only one you need. What do you want me to say? Your thing is too long. Tell me something to say. Only one you need in Dan 5. Did you guys tweet out? It's the only one you need first. Only one. Go. Tell me. If you invite followers, I'm going to do it. Dan wants DMC. DMC. Run DMC? Blackout rocks? I'll just put my symbol. Give your name. Thank you though. But here, I'll put my symbol. I will bless you all with the hat sigil symbol. There. Everyone under here has been blessed by the power of the hat. Who else? I got a little bit more space. It's hard to see with all this brightness. Screenshot it out. Only one you need. What did you want? You want a DMC? What did you want? Junior? Okay, Junior. There you go. I see it, so there you go. That's easy enough. Junior. Dude. Who else? Go, go, go. Nazar. What is Nazar? Am I writing some curse word? Emily and Nazar. Alright, Nazar. Nazar sounds like the word Shazam. Shazam! Nazar! Nazar! With an exclamation point. And Emily. Emily. Wait, Emily? Is that right? Boom. Hello, Russia. Now we feel like this is Russia, huh? Look at this, Russia. What do you do to us? You're welcome, you're welcome, welcome. Let me go grab the doggy. And here there was a child. They're dead. They're buried. The poor child was in a little child car accident somewhere in there. Too bad. I feel terrible. Told them not to take their car out this time. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I gotta get your... Go in. Oh, here's your leash. Come here. Here. Ah! Give me a thingy. Alright, let's see how doggy responds. Hold up! Damn! Whoa! Hold on, don't pull me, you bitch! He wants to say hi to Jesus. You're not going in the back of the car because there's no way I'm getting the car out.
So, boy.
Jesus, bless the dog. Give me your holy blessing. What's up, Jeez? What's up, Jeez? Come on, Magi, let's go. Leave the people alone. See, we half-assed it. You see everyone else's, their sidewalk is...
What's up, Mike?
What's up? You're on. Say hello to the people of the world.
It's a beautiful day in the White Land. Snow White.
Say hi, this is
snow on
my
my
neighbor,
sweater.
Rob.
And I got snow on my sweater.
Say hi to Rob.
Still dropping.
Ah! Don't pull me, Magi. Say what's up. It takes a little while. Someone should say hi.
What's up, world?
Hello, world. This is my neighbor. These are
It's a little snow.
Hey, peace. There they come. The dog's tugging me. These are the people in my neighborhood. He actually got up early. I was too lazy. See you later. Everyone's got the sniffles. No, look at him go straight for garbage. No! Hey, cut it out. You gotta do the dog whisper. Get out of there. No! Someone's actually got a snow machine. This is the bus stop. Hi, bus people. Look at this. Look at how thick it was. It was donkulous. I feel like we're in Alaska. What's the hour? What time? You know what? I don't even know what time it is. I think it's...
Look at that.
I don't even know. I think it's like 11. Let me look. That's a good question. Ow, come on, Magi. Get out of there. Get out. He's being a little bitch. Sorry. Get out of... Oh, this guy's got some serious manpower across the street. Alright, let's go, Magi. Let's go. Oh, sludge. Nasty, gross sludge. Look, it's Seek. Oh, go, mountain dog, go! Oh, disgusting. Jesus. Okay, we made it through. Everything's closed. Come on, would you cut it out? No one's open. Everyone's like stayed home and shoveling their stuff. Pizza place is open. All right, I'm gonna get a couple slices. So hello everyone, this is the aftermath of the... Magi, stop! It's really difficult to do this with this dog freaking pulling at me. The aftermath of the great blizzard 2016. Last night was insane. It seemed like 5 feet in my backyard. Here it doesn't look so bad because the sun's hit it and melted. But if I show you my backyard, literally it was the whole door. It doesn't look so bad from here. But I have to show you. Like if you see areas where it wasn't, where it hasn't melted yet, it looks, it's 5 feet, maybe it was a little much, but it literally, because the gate went all the way to the top of the gate, so maybe 4 feet. I might have exaggerated by a foot. Magi, come on, man. Come on. Alright. Is the pizza place open? Are they open? It's pizza. Oh, Magi, pizza. 2 slices and a can of soda for $5. Hey, what's up, turkey? Alright, I gotta tie you up. Yeah, I know you don't like it, but you're gonna have to deal with it. Come here, come here. Come here. Hold on. Alright, so you sit. Sit. Be good. Sit, stay. Stay. He hates this. No. What's up? These mittens are awesome, by the way. They're really warm and they still touch the phone. You're open Sundays now? I thought you were not open on Sundays.
Yeah, we open on Sundays.
What day are you closed?
No, we don't close.
Oh, you stopped that. It used to be Sunday though, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
But now no more. You come in before on Sundays.
I never pay attention to what day it is. It's all color to me. It's color coded. Sunday is like yellow. Friday is purple.
You're right.
Anyway, let me do 2 slices and a Coke to go. Everybody got quiet all of a sudden. You guys still with me? Did I lose signal? Look at him. Oh. Stay. Stay, stay, stay. No one's gonna come in the pizza place because they get freaked out. Magi's gonna eat them. Where did everybody go? Are you guys still with me? Are you gone? Okay, pizza good here. Maybe there's a big delay. Yeah, it's really delicious here, actually. Authentic New York pizza. Oh, hearts. Thank you for the hearts, everybody. Really good. Really thin. Crispy. Look at it. Huge slices. Gigantic. Still what? I'm gonna get a I think I want a root beer. I have a strange craving for like a root beer. Okay, man, I'll send you a piece. There's your last piece right there. You can have it. Matter of fact, it's so good, I'm gonna end on that. Bye, buddy.